have nothing to say about it. Me not have no verdict on it. Right now, that gone in a limbo, me no business with it. You understand what I'm saying? On a big man level. Cause the first day, it looked like we just hang Stalk, Ashley and Jackson, kill them alive. And then the next day, it looked like somebody got page the mother and the mother nervous and apologize. Then the next day, the daughter come and say the mother forget a knife in her neck and dead. And me I say, you know say this serious. You know say this wishy-washy. Because obviously her mother don't know Jackson and Ashley. She did have to tell Stalk, Ashley. She'd have to tell her mother about Stalk, Ashley and Jax. See? But then when you come out of the hospital, you tell Jackson and Stalk, Ashley them say, I lie your mother tell. And your mother deserve a knife in her neck. When your mother no know Stalk, Ashley and know Jax. And know about Jax and him hood and what go on in a sexual thing and rare. It don't make no sense. So either she tell her mother lie when she in a problem, then when she good back now, she a try friend up back Stalk Ashley them and I tell them say the mother is a shit house. So she a play the two of them because she could have come back to a realization and realize say, okay, so Stalk Ashley them and me I go mash up. Me have to go back to Spanish Town and go live in a lane. She don't want that, so she just tell Stalk Ashley them much them want to hear. But at the time when she had a problem with Stalk Ashley them and Jax them, she got tell her mother where she want her mother hear. Zine? Because no matter how people say she and her mother no good, when the problem come, her mother she call. Her mother she go pick up. Her mother pick her up and try save her. So say she and her mother never good. Her mother at the point of refuge when problem reach. Zine? So you run guy your mother. Obviously, are you